everyone, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to create glowing new morphism button design using simple HTML and CSS. So as you guys can see on my computer screen, let me show you the output here. When I click on these icons, it shows new morphing effect and it looks very attractive, it looks very beautiful. So how can we create this type of effect using only HTML and CSS? So let's start the code. So as you guys can see, I already written some basic syntax of HTML and I also imported the link for icons, and you can easily import this link from Font Eversum website. Okay, so let's start the code. So first of all, I will define a UL and li. Now I will define a label tag. Now I will create a checkbox. So I will write input type checkbox name and now I will define a div class with class name icon box, and in this div class I will import icons. So I will write here I class fa font. Save the file, and as you guys can see the output here, the first icon is successfully imported, font icon in the form of a checkbox and an ordered list. So now I will import two more icons. So I just copy this code here and paste it below, and here I will simply change the icon name. So here I will write fa moon. Oh, now I will save the file. So the second icon is also imported. Now I will import the third icon. So simply copy this and paste it below, and here I will change the iClass name. So here I will write plain, and at the last here I will write moon. Oh, now I save the file. So as you guys can see the output here, I imported all the three icons in the form of checkbox and an order list, as you guys can see on my computer screen. Now let's start the CSS code. Now in CSS, first of all I will write universal selector to give some basic CSS. Margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. Save it, and now I will use body element, and I will give display a property flex, justify content, center, and align items center, minimum height 100 vs, I write this code to center my icons. So here I will also set the background color. So I will write background hashtag 0f 0f 0f. Now I will save the file. As you guys can see on my computer screen, all my icons set in the middle of the screen, and also the background color change. And now I will write here ul, and first of all I will change the position to relative. Now I will use display property and give it value flex, justify content center, align items, also give same value center, flex wrap, and now I will change the border radius. So I will write here border radius 10 pixel, and now I will give the padding. So padding I will give 10 pixel. Also I will set the width. So I will give the width 300 pixel. So as you guys can see, all my icons display changes into flex, and here I will now give, and here now I will give the background color. So I will write here hashtag EBF5FC. Now I will save the file. So as you guys can see here, the background color is set. Now I will give some box shadow here to create this more attractive and more beautiful. So I will write here 1 pixel 0 25 pixel -7 pixel RGBA 240 237 240 and 1. Now I will save the file. So the box shadow is also set, and it looks really very amazing, very attractive. So now let's write CSS for our icons. So here I will write ULLI and give it position. So I will write here position relative. Also align the text to center and changes the list style to none, and also give some margin. So I will write here the value 15 pixel. Oh wow, now it looks great. And here I will write ULLI label and just change its position to relative. And now I will write ULLI label input, and here I will write type, which is checkbox, and here I will write position absolute and give some opacity 0. So save the file. So as you guys can see here, all the check boxes are removed successfully. So now I will write some CSS for my icons to change the height, width, background color and other things. So here I will write ULLI label dot icon box, and firstly give some padding, width. So I will write here width 40 pixel, and now give some height same 40 pixel, and here I will give display property to flex and justify content center, align items center, Now I will change the background color. Hashtag EBF5FC, and now I will give some box shadow here. Box shadow -2 pixel, -2 pixel, 5 pixel, RGBA 255, 255, 255, and here opacity is 1, and some more box shadow I will give here. So I will write 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, RGBA 0, 0, 0, and opacity 0.1. Here I will change the border radius to 20 pixel, and cursor pointer, and now here I will write ULLI label dot icon box FA. Give some CSS for our icons to change the font size. So I will write here font size, and I will give 30 pixel, so the font size change, and color hashtag E6902F. So as you guys can see the output here, now it looks really very attractive and very beautiful, and it's looks like a new morphing effect. Now I will add the main effect. So here I will write ULLI label input, and in this I will write type checkbox. So I will write checkbox, and when it is checked, so dot icon box. So it means that when the checkbox is checked, so here I will write the CSS, and this CSS property will apply to our icon boxes, to our div class. So here I will write box shadow, and here I will write inset -2 pixel, -2 pixel, 5 pixel, RGBA 255, 255, 255, and opacity 1. Again I will write, again I will give some values. Inset 3 pixel, 3 pixel, 5 pixel, and RGBA 0, 0, 0, and 0.1. and now I will save the file, and when I click on the icons, you guys can see the output here. The box shadow I write here, the box shadow properties I write here is applied when I click on the icons, as you guys can see the output here, and it looks really very attractive, and it looks like a new morphism effect. So here I will also change the transform skill here. So here I will write ULLI label, and I will simply copy this from top. So I will copy and paste it here, and also write .fa, and here I will write simply transform scale 0.95, not so much, a little bit, So as you guys can see the output here, and it looks really very amazing, very attractive. Look here, wow, beautiful. So as you guys can see that how we created this beautiful new glowing neomorphism design using simple HTML and CSS properties, and the most important property here is box shadow. So using box shadow you can create such amazing effects here. So I hope you guys like this video. So make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.